Hi guys, so this week I really wanted to do this Adobe Spark because I saw somebody do one where it's rolling down like this, so I wanted to do that. But I see we're supposed to do a Screencast-O-Matic, so here's the best of both worlds for me. I'm just going to go over my Adobe Spark. Ways to help our students be ready for the future. Is it possible? Of course it's possible, of course it is. Let me just move down here. We need to spark curiosity and imagination. We need to help our kids want to be interested in things and have new ideas. And I know it's hard to do this, but we need to try to spark that curiosity. We need to teach our students to take initiative and to have the spirit of entrepreneurship. I know like at UVU right now they teach entrepreneurship. I'm not sure exactly what they teach in that or how they go about teaching it, but that's something that's really important. Our kids need to know how to take the bull by the horns, so to speak, and not be afraid to try new things and be creative about it. Teach our students to have agility and adaptability, to remember that their way is not always the right way, and that maybe, you know, an idea from Jane over here and your idea might be bent a little bit to make it the perfect idea. And you guys can do it, students. We can teach our students to do that. Teach critical thinking and problem solving. This is one of the most important things, and I'm always struggling with it with third graders. How can I teach them to actually want to critical think or to try and solve a problem, particularly in math? And Alpine District is doing a new thing with math this year, and I'm really kind of excited about it because I think it's going to help spark that critical thinking and problem solving a little bit more with our kids, where they're not afraid to take that step and think a little bit harder, not just like, I don't know, what's the answer? So hopefully that will work. We need to teach effective oral and written communication. Our kids do need to know how to write and to speak. Okay, this will be so important in the future. Robots aren't going to be doing that for them, and they're going to need to be able to get their thoughts across, and written communication is always important. We need to teach collaboration across networks and leading by influence. So collaboration is another one of those things that's really important because we can gather ideas from other people, add it to our idea and maybe come up with something awesome, or use their ideas that they've had. And we've talked a lot about collaboration during this class and a lot of our classes that we've taken in this tech endorsement. Teach students to access and analyze information. We want them to get the information, to have access to it, and then we want them to analyze it and see, is this what they need? I think that most of these things that I'm saying we should teach our kids have to do with thinking, and I think that's the most important thing we can do. Teach our kids some tech, but the tech is always changing, always getting new and evolving as it goes. And I think that we need our kids to be able to really think about something and analyze it and take it apart and use that information. And those are my thoughts, and I got a lot of these steps from Teacher Thought, which I really thought was great. I liked it, and I hope you guys have a great week.